Hi everybody, it's Coralie at the library. We're excited to give you our very first grab and go kit for adults. So we do have a Monopoly or Bookopoly game going on right now, and if you notice there's a spot on there where you do have to have a take and make, and this is going to be it. So come on down to the library, pick it up at the front desk. They'll be held behind the desk, and what we're going to make is a bird seed feeder, or little feeder with a cookie cutter. The birds are outside, but they're hungry. It's so cold, so let's help them out a bit. So what I have here is a half a cup of boiling water, and then I have 2 packages of gelatin powder, which you will have all of these items in your kit. So we'll just dissolve that in here. Try and get it as dissolved as I can. Okay, and then I have 1.5 cups of birdseed. So we're going to put that in here and mix it all up. And then we're going to pack it as heavy as firmly as we can into our cookie cutter, because we don't want it to fall apart, so it has to be kind of all held together. That's what the gelatin's going to help do. So just mix it up as good as you can so it's all covered with that gelatin. And in your kit, you're going to get a cookie cutter and a little piece of parchment paper. You're also going to get a little pokey stick, and that's going to be to make our hole for the hanger. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill this and see how much I need. You may have too much bird seed, so maybe if you have an extra cookie cutter at home, you can make another one. I just wasn't exactly sure how much I would need for this. So I've got a lot here, so I guess you're going to end up with probably maybe 2 extras. So what you do next is take your stick and just kind of make a little hole like so. Hopefully it stays as a hole. Maybe once it's dry I'll be able to poke through anyway. And you're going to just let this dry overnight, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, we're back, and we have let our molds sit overnight, so they're nice and firm now. So I'm just going to take them apart. I have a little bit of gelatin left on the side, so you can just kind of take that off like that. And in your kit, you will have some string, or whatever we want to call this, to hang it. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. You're going to only have 1 cookie cutter coming home, but hopefully you have some more cookie cutters at home, because it will make 3. Or you could use muffin wrappers, whatever you can think of that would work as a mold. So I'm just going to put it through my top here. Actually, I'm going to go this way because I'm going to put all 3 of mine together to show you how. So if you're just doing 1 at a time, you can just simply do it like that and tie it off. But I'm going to hang all 3 of mine together. So I'm going to take my next one and I'm going to string that one through. And they look kind of nice when they're hanging in a row. And I think the birds will be happy. This one didn't come all the way through. So if your hole that you made yesterday, or when you were making it, doesn't stay, just kind of go back and poke through again. And then I'm going to come back through I made 2 holes in my middle one so that I could hang it like this. And I'm going to take apart my last one. Quite figured out how to do this part, but I think if we just poke through, and I'm working on a tray because it is a little bit messy, and I'm just going to tie this one off in the back, and oops, oh, I guess I'll need to put a knot in between each, so you can kind of get the picture of how it's going to work. We're just going to hang them all. I would probably put them a little closer than this together, like something like this. And then you put a little loop so that you can hang it in a tree and let the birds enjoy. So come on down to the library starting Monday and you can pick up your kits. These are adult craft kits.